How to turn on call recording on iPhone. To record your call, iPhone has a feature on iOS 18 to record your call. Whenever you do FaceTime calling to your another friend, you can use call recording feature available in iOS 18. For that, simply launch your settings and go through the general and make sure that you have updated iOS 18. Once you check that, go through your phone call and do FaceTiming to a user. Then on the top, you will see call recording option. Simply tap on that. It might not be available in all of the regions, so make sure that it is available in your region. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.